In this quick video, we will show you how to use the qcopy tool to copy files from one file system to another. To demonstrate this, we'll download the files for the Linux kernel version 2.6 into our instance and then copy them into a Quobyte volume using the qcopy tool. Please note that the kernel version is not relevant to this demo. First, we will download the zip folder to our client machine. You can find a link to this folder in the description of the video. Once the download is completed, unzip the folder. Then go to the Quobyte web console and create a new volume under the Volumes tab. You can call the volume kernel. Leave everything as is and click the Create button. In order to use the qcopy tool, you need the registry's information, so we need to retrieve that. To do so, in the Quobyte web console, click on the information icon and select the CLI and API option. Then copy the registry's entry. Now go back to your terminal. We can copy our files with just one command. First, you need to type qcopy followed by the name of the file that you would like to copy, and then add the registries from the previous step. Lastly, add the name of the volume where you would like to copy the file. If you go back to your volume in the web console and give it a few seconds, you will see that the file has been copied into the volume. You can click the refresh button if you don't see anything changing after a few seconds. Once the process is finished, you will have a total of 17,091 files and 1,084 directories in your new volume. In your terminal, you will see a message that tells you the number of files and directories and the time it took to be processed. You can now cd into the kernel volume and inspect all the files that were added. As you can see, copying files from one file system to another is very simple and easy using the qcopy tool.